The richness of the flora and fauna are a good example of biodiversity of a country. Biodiversity has different values such as productive consumptive, social ethical, and aesthetic. The main objectives of this film are to present a glimpse of different values of biodiversity. Value of biodiversity. Biodiversity has a great value due to the flora and fauna of lithosphere and hydrosphere. All green plants are producers. While all animals are consumers. Consumers may be herbivorous, carnivorous, or omnivorous. Human being is omnivore because he may feed upon the plants as well as animals. Food and feeding relationship are responsible for the mobility of animals. Fishes are always found swimming in water, but every kind of fish prefers a specific habitat. Birds fly from equator to poles and from poles to equator. Several Siberian birds visit India in winter. Their flight is influenced by climate and reproductive season. Host-parasite relationship, such as Cuscuta growing various other trees, or pollution relationship also exhibit biodiversity. Eucalyptus plant produces flowers at Indore, but does not produce fruits because it's pollinator. Pronunba eucasilla. A nocturnal moth is not found in Indore. The same plant produces fruits and seeds at Chandigarh. Where its pollinator is present, some orchid flowers such as Ophrys resemble a female insect. The male insect copulates with this flower under the impression that the flowers is ferial insect. This way, the flower gets palliated by deceiving the insect. These are wonderful examples of biodiversity developed in nature, either by chance or by trial and error methods. Mating of a male insect with such a flower which resembles the female insect is pseudocopulation. Consumptive and productive use of biodiversity. Plants meet out the three basic needs of mankind, that is, food, clothes, and shelter. Man has been using plants and animals for his benefit from ancient days. Biodiversity is important because it provides man with food, fiber medicine, fumitories and mosquitories, furniture, and several other useful articles. Plants, animals, and microbes are the source of food. About 80,000 plant species are used as food in various parts of the world. All cereals are actually wild grasses brought under cultivation by man. Maize was the first cereal brought under cultivation by man. It was named as pampered corn. Through Green Revolution, several high-yielding varieties of wheat have been produced. With the help of biotechnology, golden rice has been produced, which is very good source of vitamin A. For medicinal also also, biodiversity is important. Out of various medicines available in the market, about 50% are obtained from the plants, animals, and microbes. We got blueprint of aspirin from Salix plant, while that of quinine from cinchona bark. Java is earning several $1,000s every year by exporting quinine. Periwinkle leaves are very good source of vincristine and vinblastin. Texas baccata is source of Texol. All these are anti-cancerous drugs. Madagascar is earning $15 million per year from periwinkle crop. Had these plants been destroyed by man out of ignorance the science of medicine, would have received great loss. According to United States Development Program, developing countries are preparing medicine worth $30 million and plants, animals and microorganisms. Teak, sal and shisham are good source of furniture. Thus more rich is biodiversity, more is its value. Social values. In villages, big trees are the meeting place for society. Villagers hold their meeting under the canopy of trees and decide the pattern of living. Coconut is Kalp Vraksh for South Indian societies, as it is source of food fiber and royal. Social forestry has been started by the government of Gujarat to grow useful trees by the people of society to improve the greenery and also to obtain useful products from the plant. Exchange of plants and animals strengthen the relationship between different societies. Emperor Ashok had sent a banyan tree to Sri Lanka through his daughter and son as the symbol of friendship between two nations. Ethical values. It is believed that Lord Gautam Buddha got spiritual knowledge under a tree. This tree is believed to be Ginkgo biloba. Even today, it is worshipped by Buddha people and grown near Buddha temples. Offering beautiful flowers to God and goddesses is the common ethic in Indian culture. Aesthetic values. Biodiversity has great aesthetic value. For enjoying picnic, people prefer forest area. Bird watching, pet keeping and gardening provide internal pleasure to man. Plants like pipar, amla, tulsi and khejri are worshipped. Several people like to have aquarium to decorate their drawing room. The aquarium is an example of man-made biodiversity, having several aquatic plants and animals. Several people love to have parrot in their houses. Lotus is national flower of India. Rhododendron flower is a state symbol Sikkim, while banyan tree is a state symbol of Madhya Pradesh Assembly. Antelope is a state animal of the MP flowers like bird of paradise and parrot. Flowers are admired by everybody. Rose is admired for its beautiful look as well as fragrance. Jasmine and Sevanti find place to adorn the hairstyle by ladies. People of every age, younger or older, like to visit zoo frequently. Opinion values. Biodiversity is important to maintain the richness of lithosphere as well as hydrosphere. Biodiversity is necessary to maintain climatic control by forest and oceanic systems. Natural pest control, pollination of plants by insects and birds, protection of soil, conservation of water and various cycles of gases and minerals are automatically governed by biodiversity. In the opinion of scientists, the value of biodiversity can amount to trillions of rupees.